Hello, seventh graders. We are on home stretch of the year, home stretch of distance learning. So we're almost done. Um, we have a couple more things to do this year before we wrap everything up. So today I'm going to introduce your project, which is going to be your assignment and science work for the next week, right? It's due on Wednesday. Um, April, let's see here, what day is that? It's going to be due on Wednesday, April 20th, or scratch that. It's due on Wednesday, May 20th. So what you're going to be doing for this is choosing a project about one of the systems in the human body. Now, there's many systems you can choose from. You can do nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, endocrine system. So you choose the system that you want to study and do a project on. You can go back to the notes to figure out which one you want to do. You can go back to that, or you can go searching, figuring out which system in the human body that you want to focus on. But I'm going to introduce your projects that you can choose from right now. So you can choose from one of 6 projects for this project. So your first project is you can choose from is to write a song or a rap about a human body system, its parts and its functions. Okay. So you could write a song or a rap about the nervous system, or you could write a song or a rap about the digestive system. It's up to you. The second option you have is to interview a doctor, nurse, or other healthcare professional by email. So find the email of a doctor, nurse, or other healthcare worker and ask 10 or more questions about their profession. And you have to ask them questions about the human body system somehow. Okay. You're going to present this with a video review or Google slideshow presentation. So you'll either record your responses or you will present their answers on Google Slideshow, which is just like Google Slides. Your third option is to create a magazine picture collage in the shape of one of the discussed human organs. So you'll find a bunch of magazines, you'll make a collage, an artistic putting together of cutout pictures in the shape of a human organ. So this isn't like a cartoon heart that looks like this. This is like actually anatomically correct organs, okay? So if you're going to do a collage, you need to make sure that you have a picture of that organ and that you are going to make it look exactly like that organ. Number 4, make a 3D model that illustrates a human organ or a full system. So 3D, 3-dimensional. So this isn't a 2D drawing. You would have to make a model that illustrates a human organ or full system. Okay, so you would make like a 3D model of an organ like the liver, heart, brain, whatever, or you could do a full system like respiratory system or digestive system or circulatory system, up to you. Your fifth choice, write a story about traveling through one of the human body systems. So you would write a story. So a story has a plot. It has a climax, a resolving action, is interesting, right? This is supposed to be interesting. So if you're going to write a story, you better make it good. It's not just going to be a collection of facts. You're going to write a story with a main character, with a plot, building actions, climax, resolving actions, and ending. And you would do this about one of the human body systems. And you're going to do it from the viewpoint as if you were a blood cell, a piece of food, an air molecule, whatever. You're going to have to get creative with that one. And finally, your 6th project that you can choose from is to draw a diagram of at least one human body system and label the parts and functions of that system. So you're going to make a nice drawing labeling the important parts and functions of that system. Okay. To turn these in, not every project is going to be turned in the same, but you can always turn them in on Google Classroom. So if you're going to write a song or a rap, you're going to write that down, Google Doc, and you're going to attach that to the assignment next Monday. Okay. It's due on Wednesday, but it'll be posted on Monday. If you're going to interview a doctor, nurse, or other healthcare professional, you're going to do either a Google Slides or a video review. Whatever format you do, you're still going to attach that to the Google assignment that's posted next Monday. If you're doing a picture collage, you're going to take a picture of that and attach the picture somehow. If you're making a 3D model, same thing. Maybe you take a video that shows that it's 3D. You can't just take a 2D picture. If you write a story, you're going to write that on a Google Doc, attach that to the assignment. And same thing with a diagram. If you draw a diagram, you're going to have to upload a picture of that diagram so I can see it. Okay, so before you guys ask me any questions about this assignment, I'm going to check that you've done this Edpuzzle. So make sure you're watching the directions. If you have any questions, send me an email. If you have any other ideas for a project that you'd like to do, send them by me and maybe I'll approve them if you'd like to do them. So I hope you guys have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.